Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Bitworth crypto tracker app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Bitworth is a cryptocurrency portfolio tracking app designed to help users monitor the value of their digital assets in real time. It supports a wide range of major cryptocurrencies and tokens, allowing users to manually enter holdings or import their portfolio for automatic updates. The app calculates total portfolio value, tracks price movements, and displays performance insights to help users stay informed about market changes. It is available on both iOS and Android. The app's main feature is its clean dashboard, which shows real-time asset values, 24-hour changes, and overall portfolio performance. Users can also view historical charts, set custom alerts, and track multiple portfolios. Bitworth works offline as well, meaning it can store and display previously synced values without constantly requiring internet connectivity. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its simplicity, lightweight design, and accurate price tracking. The ability to track multiple portfolios and see consolidated value across exchanges is especially helpful for long-term investors. Users also like the app's minimalistic interface, which avoids unnecessary complexity. However, there are some drawbacks. Bitworth depends on external price sources, so occasional delays or discrepancies may occur. Some users report that automatic syncing can be inconsistent, especially with newer or less common tokens. Advanced features such as in-depth analytics or tax reporting tools are limited compared to more complex crypto portfolio apps. In addition, it requires manual updates for certain assets, which may not appeal to active traders. In summary, the Bitworth app may be worth using if you want a simple, lightweight, and reliable crypto tracking tool without complex features. However, if you prefer advanced analytics, automated syncing, or detailed reporting tools, it might not meet all your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.